This lecture we're going to discuss business functions and supply chains. And we'll identify the various business functions and the role of information systems in those functions. Explain how information systems in their basic business functions relate to each other. Articulate which supply chains are important and how information technology supports management of supply chains. Enumerate the purposes of customer relationship management systems and explain enterprise resource planning systems. Information technology makes work more effective, more efficient, or both. Effectiveness is the degree to which a goal is achieved, and efficiency is the relationship between resources expended and benefits gained in achieving a goal. Efficiency can be equated to benefits divided by costs. One system is more efficient if its operating costs are lower for the same or better quality product. Productivity is the efficiency of human resources. Productivity improves when fewer workers are required to achieve the same goal. Productivity tools are software applications that improve productivity. Information systems contribute to both effectiveness and efficiency in business. Customer relationship management systems help serve customers better and faster. A service continues after delivering the goods as customer service and also more marketing. Often customer relationship management systems are combined with supply chain management systems, also known as SCM, to create an enterprise resource planning system, an ERP. And here we see supply chain management and customer relationship management all being integrated through a foundation of enterprise resource planning. And how information systems in business functions are interdependent. They must exchange information between themselves in order to meet goals. For example, payroll is typically in an HR system, but you need to get it into your accounting system to complete the general ledger. Accounting's purpose is to track every financial transaction. Accounting systems are required by law, and they're also required for proper management. They're needed to ensure the company is making a profit. Accounts payable and accounts receivable track who owes what to who. General ledger is used to produce a balance sheet, which is a picture or snapshot in time of the financial situation, and also a profit and loss report over a period of time. The accounting information system receives information from transaction processing systems, and these automatically route purchases to accounts payable, automatically route sales to accounts receivable. The accounting system generates reports on demand or on a schedule. A work order is an authorization to perform work for a specific purpose. Cost accounting systems accumulate data about cost involved in producing specific products. Accounting information systems are used for managerial purposes, for budgeting and cost control. And here we see a graphic of an accounting information systems and the various subsystems that feed into it and that it feeds to. The firm's health is measured by its finances. Information systems can improve financial management. Financial managers have a goal to manage money as efficiently as possible by collecting payables as soon as possible, making payments at the latest time allowed, ensuring funds are available for daily operations, and investing funds that are not used for current activities. And here we see some of the subsystems in a financial information system. Financial information systems help managers track company finances. Cash management systems are systems that deal specifically with cash. Electronic funds transfer is done between one bank account to another. Investment analysis and service. The investor's goal is to buy an asset and sell it for a higher value. When investing in securities, you must know the current prices in real time. Nearly instantaneous information systems can provide investors and clients with financial news, stock prices, commodity prices, and current exchange rates. Some of the important factors to consider when investing are the risk, and that's measured as the variability of the security's past yield, expected return, and liquidity, a measure of how fast an investment can be turned into cash. Engineering. Some important concepts here are time to market. That's the time between generating an idea for a product and completing a prototype. And that's dependent on engineering. Brainstorming is a process where a group of colleagues meet and collaborate to generate creative solutions and new ideas. Minimizing time to market is a key to maintaining a competitive advantage. Information systems can contribute significantly to minimizing time to market. Computer-aided design tools are used to create, modify, and store designs and drawings electronically. Rapid prototyping is creating one-of-a-kind products to test the design, and it allows a model to be produced in hours or days rather than weeks or months. Computer-aided manufacturing are systems that instruct machines how to manufacture parts and assemble products. And here we see a graphic of an engineering information system and the various subsystems that are part of it. A supply chain consists of procurement of raw materials, processing materials into goods, and delivering the goods. The processing of raw materials into goods is also known as manufacturing. Supply chain management is the monitoring, controlling, and facilitating of supply chains. CAD systems often transfer data automatically into computer-aided manufacturing systems. IT helps in manufacturing activities by scheduling plant activities to optimize the use of resources, planning material requirements based on current and forecasted demand, reallocating materials and resources from one order to another, and managing inventories. It also helps by grouping similar work orders for efficiency, and it considers the qualifications of each resource to accomplish its task. And here we see a manufacturing and inventory control information system and its various subcomponents. A materials requirement planning is inventory control. It determines when inventory needs to be restocked. It can predict future need based on demand forecasts, and it takes customer demand as input, then works back to calculate the resources needed to produce the goods. A bill of materials is a list of all raw materials and subcomponent demands to produce a product. An economic order quantity is an optimal quantity of a raw material that minimizes overstocking and saves cost without missing production deadlines. It considers cost, discounts for large quantities, cost of warehousing the material, cost of alternative uses of money, and other factors. Manufacturing resource planning combines materials requirements planning with other related activities to plan the entire manufacturing process. It uses a master production schedule. The master production schedule specifies how production capacity is to be used to meet customer demands. Monitoring and control use information systems designed to control manufacturing processes as well as monitor them. Controlling processes helps ensure quality. Shipping is performed by the manufacturer or a shipping company. Many variables affect the cost and speed of shipping, including the length of the routes, sequence of loading and unloading, the type of materials that are shipped, in other words, perishable, hazardous, or fragile require more cost, fuel prices, and road tolls. A sophisticated software that optimizes shipping efficiency helps a company stay competitive. You need to optimize shipping time, cost of labor, equipment use, maintenance. Vehicles equipped with computers, global positioning systems, and satellite communications have all increased efficiency. And here we see how data is transferred between a shipper's office and trucks that are en route to deliver goods. So, customer relationship management systems are designed to support marketing, sales, customer service. Customer relationship management systems capture the entire customer experience within an organization. All company employees who deal with the customer have access to this system. And here we see a graphic of a customer relationship management system and the various subsystems in it. Market research. To promote products successfully, organizations must perform market research. Market research helps discover populations and regions that are most likely to purchase the product. Activities may include conducting interviews with consumers and retailers, building statistical models to predict sales volumes of different products. Targeted marketing promotes to people most likely to purchase the products. Database technology allows all companies to use targeted marketing, even small companies. Targeted marketing can direct promotional dollars to the customers who are most likely to buy. Big data refers to the challenges of storing and mining vast amounts of data. A telemarketing is marketing over the telephone. The caller has a large database of consumer data. Computer telephony integration allows the computer to use the telephone as an input line. A caller ID can be used to locate customer data. Data mining uses large data warehouses to find trends and shopping habits of various demographic groups. Targeted marketing and web technologies enable retailers to personalize online shopping. Software can track web page click streams to detect customer preferences. Location-based services. Location-based services offer the ability to accurately and efficiently gather various dimensions of consumer information in real time, such as when and where they shop and what they buy. Smartphone implementation of location-based services leads prospective customers to their businesses. It increases sales and promotes their location. Web-based customer service provides automated customer service at any time, 365 days per year. It saves labor costs and reduces paper and postage costs. It includes frequently asked question lists, tracking systems, and maintenance of customer profiles. Artificial intelligence may be used to emulate a real-life customer service representative. Salesforce automation. Salesforce automation equips traveling salespeople with information technology to improve productivity. This will be on laptops, tablet computers, or smartphones. It makes sales presentations more efficient, and it allows salespeople to present different options for products and services at the customer location. Human resource management. It can be classified into 5 main activities: employee record management, promotion and recruitment, training, evaluation, and compensation and benefits management. And here we see a graphic of a human resource management system and the various subsystems that comprise it. HR departments must keep personnel records, and they must do this to satisfy laws. They do it for payroll and tax calculation purposes, for promotion considerations, and for other periodic reporting. Human resource information systems are now digitized. It saves the space required to store records, time to retrieve them, and reduces costs. Promotion and recruitment. HR can select the best qualified person for a position by searching a database of applicants and existing employees for specific criteria. Automating the selection process significantly minimizes the time and money required for recruitment. Intranet is an inter-organizational network that supports web applications, and it also allows the HR manager to post position vacancy announcements that get a wide exposure. Training is one important HR function, and it improves employee skills. Multimedia software training is replacing classrooms and teachers, and it may include new virtual reality simulated environments. Information technology reduces training costs dramatically. Evaluation. An employee's ability must be periodically evaluated by their supervisors. This may include evaluation of technical ability, communication skills, professional conduct, and general behavior. It's often a subjective process which can become a problem. Evaluation software assists in standardizing the evaluation process. It provides tools such as step-by-step guides, checklists, scales, weighted calculations, and other factors. Compensation and benefits management. Compensation includes salary, hourly pay, commissions, and bonuses. Programs calculate pay and taxes. They automatically generate paycheck and perform direct deposit. Software can help manage benefits. A benefits database is accessible through intranet or internet. Supply chain management systems. Overall inventory in the United States is decreasing while U.S. gross domestic product is increasing. Money saved from reduced inventory can be spent elsewhere. Reduction in inventory attributed to the use of information systems, especially supply chain management systems, streamlines operations throughout the chain. Enterprise resource planning systems can also serve as supply chain management systems, connecting multiple organizations together. And here we see a supply chain management system going from an order received to the inventory maintained in a warehouse for finished goods, to a retailer, to a manufacturer. Supply chain systems work best when all businesses in the chain are sharing information. The risk of disclosing important information to competitors is therefore present. The risk of taking advantage of demand figures by charging higher prices is present. Effective supply chain management requires technology, trust, so that you know people won't take advantage of you giving them your demand figures and them charging you higher prices, and a culture change. Small enterprises do not use supply chain management systems. They affect more powerful organizations to which small enterprise is linked. Inventory turns is the number of times the business sells its inventory per year. When supply chain management systems of companies are not linked, demand requirements are unknown. Supply companies must overstock inventory. One company sits with lean inventory while another stands with overstock. A collaborative logistics. The web allows organizations from different industries to collaborate. Businesses combine freight and share trucks. They can optimize logistics by connecting their supply chain management systems. The supply chain management systems also allow collaborative warehousing to share warehouse space. Companies collaborating with retailers use store sales data to compile a perfect order. Enterprise resource planning. Many companies replace old, disparate information systems with enterprise applications. Enterprise resource planning system is one that manages daily operations and facilitates planning. Current ERP market includes 4 vendors: SAP, Oracle, Sage, and Infor. Some of the challenges of ERP systems are they are complex. They often require specific tailoring for organizations. They may not support a company's unique set of business processes. They're expensive, and a process that becomes a weak link in one area may negatively affect other integrated processes. Providing the missing reengineering. Most reengineering projects of the 1990s failed. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, ERP systems forced changes in processes, and that helped realize many of those earlier reengineering ideas. ERP systems allow better planning and managing of processes at the organization level instead of at the organizational unit level. So in summary, we've talked about effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity, and how information systems have been integrated into the various business functions like accounting services, finance, computer-aided design and manufacturing, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. Also, information systems improve the efficiency of human resource management, and we talked about enterprise resource planning systems, ERPs. Thank you.